it's Tuesday night and we are off for a park up.
Does that mean we're off work tomorrow?
No, sadly not, but I thought I'd treat you to another park up. Another night away in the van.
Come on then, let's go. So we're off to find a park up, but first we need to go to Tesco. I need some Rennies because of Claire's dodgy cooking.
What's wrong, David?
What is going on with the chorizo? I think you got a spicy one. Bloody hell.
Whoops. Oops.
Scan your club card to earn club card points.
Okay, David, have you thought about where you want to park up tonight?
Yes, I have actually. So I was thinking about other people that stay overnight in their vehicles, and I thought, where do lorry drivers park?
Services.
Well, yeah, they do, but we've already done a vlog about that.
Well, sort of.
Well, yeah, sort of. So I thought about somewhere else.
Where?
Industrial areas.
Ooh.
So that's what we're going to try. I need to pull out the way of this paramedic first. Oh, he's turned off. Responsible driving, everyone. Make way for the paramedic, even if he doesn't come down past you. Okay, so we've got two options. Let's look down the first industrial estate and we'll see what we can find. Now, it looks like a couple of the places here are probably open 24/7 because there are some cars parked in the car park. Now, there are cars parked, so I would consider parking in between some of these cars, but it's not very, no, it's not very secluded. That's going to block an entrance to a place. And then everywhere else looks like it's car parks for units. Again, you don't know what time they start in the morning and stuff like that. So let's try the other industrial estate and we'll see if we have any more luck over there. But yeah, I would park behind that red car. That is one that I would consider. Okay, so on to our next one, and my knowledge of the area says this one might be a better option because I know that there's a long road that all of the lorries park down. So for me, somewhere down there would be more suitable. So let's have a look. Yeah, you see you've already got one lorry there. So to be fair, we could probably park in front of him. We could park behind him.
Well, yeah, so there's plenty of places down here.
Yeah. So yeah, I think this is spot on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go and turn round and we'll come back up and we'll see what takes our fancy.
Looks like a good spot to me.
Yeah. It's a deal then. So while Claire walks the dogs, I'll show you what we're going to do in the van tonight. Not that, you filthy people. Come on, come with me. So with Easter coming up, we thought we'd do something Easter themed. And we're not eating eggs. So when we went to London, Claire bought me a present. We went into the Lego store, and because my mum's favourite flower was daffodils, she bought me Lego daffodils. So we're going to put them all together tonight. And this will come out on an Easter vlog. So just while Claire's out with the dogs, I want you to listen to this. Even though we're on an industrial estate, listen. Can you hear the birds? Spring is on its way.
Okay, So I think there's 2 yellow flowers and 2 white flowers.
Can I be the yellow?
Should we not have one each?
No. Yellow was Mum's favourite.
Okay, you can be yellow.
She didn't like the white ones.
Right. That's emotional blackmail.
What about the trumpets?
Trumpets, they're all orange.
Are they all orange?
Yeah, they're
Oh,
all
Mum
orange.
wouldn't have liked any of them.
Oh, well, you better not have any of them.
She didn't like orange trumpet. It had to be all yellow.
Well, we haven't got any white trumpets.
Yeah,
they're
but
all
my
orange.
favourite is yellow with orange. So I'm still going to be yellow.
You're going to yellow. Right, I've got the white ones.
Okay.
I'm going to get my bits together first, I think.
You're going to what?
Get my bits together.
Oh, yeah. Claire,
What?
it's 18 pages of instructions.
Oh, we could be here a while.
Get your hand out of my bowl. You see the difference between me and you?
What?
Look at you laying everything out like James May. I'm just digging in for all the bits.
When does James... What do you mean?
That's what he does with his tools. Like whenever they do a challenge, Jeremy Clarkson's halfway through building something and James May's laying all the parts out, giving them names.
I'm not naming them.
One trumpet.
Show me. Show me.
No. Look at you, I'll get them how I want them and you come along like a wrecking ball. Flower arranging is not our forte.
No, they're not quite facing the right. Oh, they're all facing the right.
There you go.
There we go. What do we think? And who did it better?
The yellow ones are better, aren't they, with the nice orange
No,
trumpets?
I did it better because I did it methodically. I laid it all out, whereas you just fumbled around and.
Excuse me?
What?
I do not fumble around. I do things correctly, with intent and with a good result.
No comment.
Mummy's being nasty to me. Get Mummy. Right, should we put the bed up?
Yes.
Come on then.
Time for bed sensitivity.
Better find somewhere for your flowers. And just like that, we're in bed. So,
Yes.
seems very quiet down here. I could still hear the birds actually.
Yeah, it's
The other
really
thing-
peaceful actually.
Yeah, the only thing that we can hear is Lily crying because we forgot to bring a toy. So she spent the last 3/4 of an hour whilst we've been trying to watch EastEnders going. It's really annoying.
She's coming to see what you're doing.
She's coming to see what noise I'm making. You alright, Lily? Right. Anyway, on that bombshell,
We're gonna go to
we're
sleep.
going to go to bed. Night night.
Night.
Right, well, good morning. So, what did you think to the sleep, Claire?
It's very peaceful. Have we got breakfast?
No, we haven't. We've got to go home for breakfast. You see Tessie there?
She cuddling me.
That was probably one of the most peaceful night's sleep ever. Because there's no roads that goes through, there was no cars coming past. The only noise you could hear was you could hear the birds again from about 4 o'clock this morning. But other than that, call that a result. And on that bombshell, I think we can thoroughly recommend coming and staying in industrial areas. Anyway, that's us done for now. Do you want to say bye, Claire?
Bye. I need breakfast.
See you soon.